Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today I'm going to give you a guided tour of WordPress. Now if you're a WP veteran, you may not need this video, but if you're new here or just getting started, I'm going to show you a little bit about WordPress and what you can find in the dashboard today. There's a lot of stuff on my screen right now, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the ins and outs of how to install plugins, change your theme, customize it, and also add new posts and pages. Let's get started. Now starting out in the WordPress dashboard, you can see we've got some quick links up here at the top where it says Welcome to WordPress. We can automatically start to customize our site by clicking here. We can edit our front page, add new pages or blog posts, manage menus and widgets here. We can also check out some information about our site health status down below. Now I want to show you the left-hand side because this is where I do most of my navigation. I'm going to start out here on the post section, and we'll click on the post button to take you to where you can actually view and create new blog posts directly on your site. If you want to add a new post, you can click the Add New button up here. All you need to do is give it a title, start typing away at the actual blog post itself, add pictures, videos, whatever you want to. Down here in the bottom, you can click Edit for the existing post that you have. Really easy to edit an existing post. You can also delete it with the trash or view it with the View button here. Moving on to the media section, this is going to be the best place for you to add new content into your media library. So if you have videos, photos, really anything that you want to add to your posts or pages, you can click Add New here. It's going to pull up a dialog box to find those items directly on your computer. You can add them very quickly to your library. Next section over here is pages. This is going to be all the pages that you have for your website. Starting out, you're going to have a front page, a blog post page, but you can add as many pages as you want to by clicking Add New. And if you want to edit those pages, very similar to the blog post section, you can just click Edit here. The comment section is going to be specifically for folks who have commented on your existing blog posts. Really easy to manage them there. If you want to delete one that seems spammy or if it shouldn't be there, you can do that there as well. Next, I'll take you to the appearance section. This is going to be really important as it allows you to not only choose a new theme, but customize that theme and the way that your site looks. All you need to do is click Customize on the theme that you want to use. If you want to change theme, you can simply hover over it and click Activate. Really easy to change to a new theme and customize it however you like. In this section, you can also add new widgets, menus, backgrounds, and you can also install plugins from this section as well, but that's the next portion that I'm going to take you to is the plugins page. Now, plugins are probably one of the coolest features of WordPress, and they allow you to do anything that you really want to on your site, depending on exactly what plugin you install. Anything from a contact form to activating an SSL, to essentially changing and customizing the way your site looks and feels. You can do that normally through a plugin. Now, you'll have some ones that are generally installed as soon as you install WordPress, but if you want to add a new plugin, simply click on the plugin section and click on Add New. From here, you can search the thousands of plugins that exist depending on what you want to do. You can search up here in the top right-hand corner to install it, click Install Now, and then that plugin is going to be activated on your page as soon as you click the Activate button. If you ever want to see the plugins that are actually installed, you can click on the Installed Plugins section. It'll show you all the ones that are not only installed, but the ones that are activated on your site. Moving along to the user section, this is actually going to be how you manage who has access to your WordPress site and what they can do. When you first install WordPress, you're going to have a default admin user. For me, that's Josh. You can edit this user by clicking the Edit button, and if you want to add a new user, perhaps another administrator, or someone who can make blog posts or changes to your site, you can click Add New up here. Now, if you want to change your password, all you have to do is click the Edit button. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Generate Password. It's going to generate a secure password for you, but you can change this out to anything that you want it to be. As soon as you've updated your password, go ahead and click the Update Profile section, and your new password will be saved. Moving on to the Tools and Settings section, there's a bunch of stuff behind the scenes that you may not need to use right away, but if you ever need to search for things inside of General Settings, you can change a lot of the different features in your WordPress site directly from this section. You can change the site title, the tagline, your WordPress URL or site address, the administrative email, and really anything else that you want to change about your existing profile. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. We've got a ton of resources on hostgator.com/help in our KB if you want to learn more about WordPress. We also have our HostGator blog and our YouTube series if you want to see more. Stick around because we've got a playlist coming up that has more on just how you can build your WordPress site up exactly how you want it to be. As always, if you like the content that we're making, please feel free to give it a like on YouTube and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.